and presents House Guest, a brand new, fresh fortnightly feature airing on Wednesdays at 10 a.m. House Guest will showcase a cadre of professionals from doctors and entrepreneurs to the next door friendly neighbor. So tune in as we network the community with a platform for open, frank, and informative discussion. Only on Super FM, your community radio station.
It's now 10 minutes to the hour of 11 a.m. in Surface St. Lucia and, of course, the Eastern Caribbean. Like I did promise you earlier on, that I will have the loans officer and loan supervisor here with me from the Choiseul Cooperative Credit Union. And, of course, here they are. I will let them introduce themselves. Good morning. It's a great pleasure to have you guys here joining me. I would say again, excitedly. The season is approaching, and a lot of persons would want to have that extra source of income to assist them on the day to day with the purchases. And I'm happy you all are making that possible for the community. Good morning. Welcome.
Good morning.
Thank
and
you.
Thank you for having us.
How was the drive?
So the drive was a success. I think we met our target of bringing the credit union to our members. When we got to the bus terminal, we had persons come in to open new accounts, to inquire about our insurance policies, loans as well. So I think it was a successful event. Also, we had a lot of persons who won prizes and they were very excited about that, cash prizes. So I think the drive was a success and we look forward to our upcoming activities.
Thank you so much for that. Also, St. Cecilia's was just observed, and I saw an activity happening over at the Choiseul Market. It was well attended. Could you speak to the likes of that as well?
Okay, well, yes, we did partner. Well, before I go into that, let me just say good morning to listeners, good morning to the viewers, and thank you, Super FM, for having us again. Like you rightfully said, it is the festive season, and we are here to bring chairs and cash as well to our members. Okay, we did partner with the musicians to bring St. Cecilia's Day to our members as well as the community. And yes, again, it was a success. It was one of the activities that we had down under our diamond journey. So that too was a success. But it doesn't end there. As we are here this morning again to inform our members of our Christmas promotion, that promotion, which actually is part of our Diamond Drive. And yes, we do have a special prize to give away as well. The last time we were here, we indicated that we would give out something to our members. So we have kept our promise and we are here. So listeners,
So
be prepared.
You all are hearing that. Is it to me? I feel so privileged. What am I getting? I'm happy with such an initiative as well, and it's always a pleasure putting smiles on people's faces. And actually, we see what's happening with the financial situation as well. So the extra is always a good thing. And also, I would like you to speak on the big one, which of course is happening in December for you all 60.
So on December 8th, which is the actual anniversary of the credit union, the 60th anniversary, we intend to have a celebration at both of our branches. So members can come in to celebrate with us at both Soufre and Choiseul. Again, we will have some giveaways, prizes at the branch. You get to meet and mingle with the credit union staff and officers. So members can look forward to that as well on the 8th of December.
Let's get into the nitty gritties. As the loans officer, speak to me about the specific promotion, the criterias, when does it start? Um,
Okay, so the promotion has begun, and the promotion is 60 shares for Christmas. Again, we kept to the 60 because we're celebrating our 60th anniversary. So that promotion, it's from $600 to $6,000. We kept it at 6,000 because we know that it's for Christmas, and Christmas comes every year. So persons would want to come back in next year to refinance or top up that loan. So we kept it at 6,000. So next year they're able to do that. So the promotion is currently ongoing, and persons can come in to apply for that promotion. It's the interest rate is excellent, if I should say. It's 6% on a reducing balance, and that's 6% annually. And that's an interest rate of a mortgage. So you cannot go wrong with that. I think that's one of the best promotions that we've had thus far, and I think persons should really take advantage of it. The repayment period is from 6 months to 16 months. So you get 16 months to repay whatever it is that you take. Um, I'll allow Miss Flavien to give you more information on the rest.
Okay, yes. So as he said, it's from $600 to $6,000 maximum. Again, it is a Christmas promotion. It is to assist persons to come in to get their monies, to have a Merry Christmas, enjoy the festive season. The security deposit, lots of persons are coming in or they're calling to ask, well, what is the deposit? What do I need? All you need is, upon approval, you purchase $60 worth of permanent shares. $60 worth of permanent shares, and for any amount above 3,000. So what basically your monthly contribution, there's a monthly contribution, a monthly savings to your regular savings, which would be $30. $60, sorry, and $30 to your permanent shares. But this is only for persons who are applying for $3,000 to $6,000.
okay. Speak to if you are not a member of this financial institution and you are interested in um, taking that promotion, are you eligible?
Well, for you to partake in the promotion, you would have to be a member of the Choiseul Credit Union.
That's the catch.
Yes.
Another question for persons who have an existing loan and they want to maybe refinance and stuff, is can that be part of the Christmas promotion?
Okay, so persons with an existing loan, they are eligible as well, given that your debt service ratio is not above 75%. Yes, it's a promotion. We want to see everybody happy, but we care about our members. So we wouldn't want to put them in any additional debt, anything that they're not able to handle. So it's not a case where we're just going to give out money blindly. We look at your debt service ratio. If it's below 75% and you have an existing loan, yes, you're able to qualify for the promotion.
And even with the existing loan, is there a specific amount that that person is able to take, nothing beyond or
Well, again, for the promotion, it's the maximum 6,000. But once your debt, if for example you have a loan of 100,000 and your debt service ratio is not above 75, and you want 6,000, yes, you're able to get that as well. There's no maximum for an existing loan. The only maximum is just the promotion itself.
speak to the loan procedures as well? And walk us through that. For persons who are just joining me here, good morning to you. Just a reminder, I have the Choiseul Cooperative Credit Union with me, and the discussion is all about the Xmas loan promotion. They're going big. They're catering to you, well, members, that is. Feel free if you have any issues, questions, concerns, they're right here to provide the answers.
Okay, so the requirements, since it is Christmas shopping, all you need to do is to walk in with your recent salary slip and we will accommodate you. For persons who are self-employed as well, we know some persons have their little financials they do on the side. We do accommodate these persons. What we also do at the Choiseul Credit Union is provide financial guidance to our members, encourage them and show them how, when they're starting off their little businesses, how they can keep track of their income and their expenses. So at least when you come to a financial institution, you feel more confident and it is easier for us to assist you in that. So we're not all about just giving loans. We give back to the members. We provide them with that financial guidance.
Um, I do not want to throw you guys under the bus, but how has it been so far in terms of the public? How has it been received? Pretty busy,
The
long
promotion,
queues.
yes, and that's the reason why we're late today. It's because we had a line of persons that we had to attend to. So we're very sorry about that.
Smartly, you did tell me
Yeah, I actually left at 5:30 yesterday and I still had applications on my desk. So I am sorry. I promise I'm going to call you. If you've not heard from us, call us. We know sometimes the lines, the volume of calls that we're getting, it is crazy. So please do not give up. Send us a WhatsApp message. You can reach us on 484-2303. If you call and we do not pick up, guys, we will call you back. Our members mean everything to us. So we will call back. We will send you a message. Leave us a message. Don't give up after the first ring. We are there.
Regarding a loans application, what is the stipulated time that someone can be guaranteed for approval?
Well, for the promotion, we're trying our best to have these loans approved within 24 hours. The promotion, it's approved by our general manager, so it's not a case where it has to go through the credit committee. So we're trying our best to have these loans go through within 24 hours. It may not be possible all the time because, of course, we have a high volume, but we're really trying our best to have that done. Especially today, we have persons looking to go to courts. So we're trying to get our loans out before courts closes today.
That's so sweet. Could you speak to other initiatives you all also have there for the members, given the Christmas season is here, not just the loan, any other thing as well to keep the smiles on?
Yes, we do. Actually, our next activity on our diamond journey is coming up on the 12th of December, and that is the Diamond Strides. That is our sunset walk. And like I prefer to call it the walk with a difference. So again, we're inviting all our members, non-members. You are welcome as well. Maybe after that walk, you decide, well, Choiseul Credit Union does make life better, and I do want to be part of that. So you come in to open your account. So we're inviting everybody. Join us at the Choiseul Village, that is at our head office, on the 12th of December for our walk. We will be assembled there from 5:30, and the walk starts at 6. Registration is open. It is only $25. Upon registration, you will receive a T-shirt, a small touchlight, since it is a sunset walk, a small touchlight, and a snack box. And there will be lots of prizes on the road. We have entertainment, our music truck, and we also have the Soufre Action Theater. We will culminate at Mogouge, which will be our first meeting point. So we're going to have lots of prizes and entertainment. So it is a walk with a difference.
Wow. I would have asked in terms of the route, but then you tied it nicely. Speaking of the point of everybody assembling at Montrouge, is it?
That is correct.
Okay. Permit me to ask you, in terms of the loan procedure, we know Choiseul is the main branch, and what about the first one that person's applying? Do they basically have to go to the head office, or they can actually seek the services right here in the first one?
Yes, they
That was
can.
the
We
branch.
have loans officers in Sufra as well, so they can go to either of the branches.
Both branches are equipped with well-trained loans officers. So if you are from Soufre, welcome to the Soufre branch. I'm quite certain our loans officers, they will be willing to assist you.
And we need to specify this only speaks to members.
Members, yes.
And I think it's also a way to winning persons who are interested as well in opening an account and being,
Yes.
part of the Choiseul Cooperative Credit Union.
Yes.
It's a great way to start as well. What plans do you guys have for 2024? What do you envision? I know a lot of people taking those loans now will go into 2024, and then it may not be the best for some people. One of the things we've seen in terms of persons actually applying and receiving a loan and unforeseen circumstances, and they're not able to pay, what has been put in place for them when those situations arrive?
Okay, with every promotion or every product, we expect people to fall by the wayside, especially with the recent COVID-19. We saw that a lot. So what we do, actually, it is loan interview process. What we do, we try to step it up and so forth. Like I said to my members, not every product is for everybody. So when you come in, we sit with you, we have the interview, we discuss it, we look at the income and the expenses, and then we're able to guide you. So if that particular product is not for you, we have a variety of other products. So you can, of course, there is something specific to everybody. And you ask about our vision. We're on the right path. Actually, what we want to be is the best credit union going forward, and we're working towards that. So, this is our mantra, and they're our sister credit union. Don't hate for say Jacques, but I mean, it's okay. This is what we do. We make lives better.
Anything else you wish to share with the listening audience?
And I just to add on what you said for our vision of 2024, I think what we're trying to do is going into 24 to have our services a bit more accessible to our members. So we mean by going online, having members fill out application forms online, having more services available online. So, it's not the traditional way of banking, but we have a blended approach where persons can access it online, or the older persons who rather come in office can do that as well. So moving into 2024, I think that's something we're really looking towards, and persons can look out for that as well moving into 2024.
I'm happy you mentioned that, because here I am asking about what's about persons who are not able to come in and work, and persons who are not that illiterate as well. What has been put in place for them, especially when it comes to all those applications that needs to be filled and signed and everything. What is the guiding process?
Well, we have members who, for example, work in castries and they leave the south very early, and when they come back, we're already closed. These members we accommodate via email and a call. So we send the application form to them, they sign, they scan an email back to us, and when the application is approved, then they come in to sign off on the original documents. So we try to meet our members halfway. We try our best to accommodate everyone, but there's still room for improvement. So moving into 2024, we're trying our best to have that fully functional for our members.
Okay, aside from the promotion, money, what else? What is the credit union looking to do in the community to spread the good cheer? I mean, we have the kids as well. A lot of the members are parents. What will be given back to the kids?
Well, on December 13th, which is National Day, we actually have a hamper distribution. We'll be distributing 60 hampers between Choiseul and Soufre to 60 underprivileged families.
So everything is 60.
Yes.
Yes.
It's
So
60 for 60.
this is the first step of many. So I feel like this would just be, like I said, the first step. So we give these 60 hampers this year. Moving into next year, we'll try out to make it, for example, twice a year, not just a thing for Christmas, probably for Easter and then for Christmas. So we're there. We will be in the community. We know our persons. We know the persons who are struggling. So we're there to assist. And if the person can also reach out to us as well if they need assistance.
There are always challenges. You might share a few of the challenges your guys have to undergo. I see a smile.
Well, of course, difficult members. That's one of our
expected.
Yes. So we have a few difficult members that we encounter on a daily basis, but we understand that it's not anything personal. We allow them to vent, we apologize where needs be, and we try our best to ensure that that member leaves the door satisfied, and that's a member that we have, a repeat member. I think for me, that's the main challenge that we have. We have the human resource, we have the equipment that we need to function effectively in the office. So I think for me, that's the only challenge that we were facing right now, is just a bit of difficulty with some irate members.
What transformation would you like to see for your organization?
Major
transformation.
Yes. Transformation wise, I don't see anything.
Well, we're good to go.
For now, we're good to go. We're on the rise, and for now, I think we're good to go, like you mentioned. Probably in the near future, we may expand to castries. We may open our borders, the boundaries, so persons from Viewfort, Dennery can open an account with us. But for now, I feel like we are on the right path. We're okay.
So you believe enough awareness is out there for persons?
Well, we're trying to work on that, like having more frequent radio interviews. We also have a bus with credit union information on there. It's on the Soufre Beaufort route, so you can look out for that. Our insurance information is on there, loan interest rates and stuff is on the bus. We also have some advertisements on the TV and the radio. So marketing wise, we're trying to improve. We're trying to get the credit union out there a bit more because some persons still don't know that we exist. So moving forward, we're trying to improve on that aspect of things.
Okay, and are you all doing a lot of school campaigns? I know there were a few outreach programs as well.
So you can go ahead.
Yes. Yes, we've reached out to our schools, and I mean, Choiseul and Soufre, it is a very large basin, and we've actually touched base with all these schools. We have our scholarship programs, which normally runs in August. So yes, we have our tentacles in all our secondary schools and our primary schools in the Soufre and Choiseul basin.
A ticklish question. If I am not yet a member and I want to be, tell me why must I? What is with the Choiseul Credit Union that I have to? A non-bank of St. Lucia, or not Pont Saint-Jacques or Labrie or any other financial institution. Why the Choiseul Cooperative?
I think what really sets the Choiseul Cooperative Credit Union apart is we try our best to ensure that every interaction with our members and the non-members alike, it's a positive and meaningful interaction. We try our best to every day, like we say, make your life better. So we're not just here to generate an income, to generate a profit, but we try to make the individual better holistically. So we're into arts and culture. We sponsor schools, so we're into education, we're into sports and fitness. So we're in the community, we're there with our members. So I think joining the credit union would be a plus for you as opposed to going into Bank of St. Lucia, like you mentioned, who is not really with the little Mali. That's for the big shots. But the Choiseul Credit Union, it's for the people, from the people. So I think that's what really sets us apart at the credit union.
A lot of times people ask, why the credit union? And I ask, why not? Why not a financial institution where you have one vote? Each member has a vote. Whatever profit is made after AGM, this is actually shared among the members. Do you get that at the banks, for instance? Do you have a vote at the bank? Do you have a say? And to what tops it off is that it actually stays, the profit, the money stays right here in the community because it is divided upon among the members based on your permanent shares, actually. But the other institution, the banks, these shareholders, most of them, they do not even reside here. So you see, the profit actually leaves the country. But the credit union, whatever monies we make, we're not for profit solely, but actually we make a profit, and that profit is actually, it goes back to our members.
I'm happy you went into depth research. My thing is, for example, yeah, you an existing member. For some reason you migrated and whatnot. What is being put in place in terms of that account? I know it will not be frozen, but then how what is best in terms of maintaining and always ensuring that it's being activated.
Okay, well, we do facilitate wire transfers. So if you live abroad, you can transfer your money via Bank of St. Lucia, and the monies would come to the account. So there's no need for it to be there physically. You can continue saving while you're abroad. So that's possible.
Okay, I know the last time as well, the credit unions were moving to the first of the ATM machines. That has been implemented.
Yes,
Yes,
it
it
has.
And it's nice and smooth transition.
Yes. Yes, that's.
40 minutes after the hour, it's a first solution, of course, the Eastern Caribbean. Good morning to you. Anything else you want to share in
Well,
this discussion?
We have $6 to give away.
I'm 60 years old. 88.5 Surf FM, here comes the exciting part of it. The credit union is looking to give away $60. $60. I well broke there.
You don't have to be a member to win the prize.
Okay.
Anyone can win.
Nice and sweet. Anyone can win. You have to answer one, two, how many questions?
Just one.
Just one question. Oh, I love that. Just one question, and you automatically win $60. Today, that you can put that towards your Valiant ticket, you know.
Yes, yes.
Present the question. Go ahead. Remember, you can call 730. You can WhatsApp 730-5388 or telephone us at 459-7885 or 888. We're right here. Place your question.
Okay, it is a very simple question because we do not want to keep you too long since you were very nice and accommodating us on a Friday. So what year was the credit union registered? In what year was the credit union registered?
Oh my goodness.
You can do the maths.
Good morning. Good morning. Hi, good morning. Hello. Just a repeat of the question.
What year was the Choiseul Credit Union registered?
Feel free to send the answer via WhatsApp as well. 730-5388, or like I said, telephone me here 459-7888. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Hi. So, FM, good morning to you. Quechua Dominic said 1963.
It's not correct.
This is incorrect. Feel free to try again. Is it higher or lower? What's the clue?
We're looking for the year that it was actually registered.
So if you're hearing me, peeps, the year it was registered, and 1963 is incorrect. Try again, but thank you for the efforts. 17 minutes after the hour, I'm excited, and of course, the Choiseul Credit Union is getting ready to give away $60. 60. They're not giving me nothing, huh? After they were late. Of course, in the meantime, before we shut down, I would ask you to just walk us through just a synopsis in terms of the Christmas promotion. Good morning. Rosie Daisy, 1963. What is with that 1963? You all know something?
Yeah, well, 1963. It was actually conceptualized in 1963, but this was not the year that it was registered. So, of course, our people are smart people. We will say, okay, Choiseul Credit Union is celebrating 60 years. So, of course, it's 1963. They'll go back and look at it. But we're actually looking for the year that it was registered.
Dana Prevo.
Was it?
Dana Prevo.
Dana Prevo.
Yes.
Dana Prevo, you are so correct. The credit union was registered in 1970.
Congratulations to Dana Prevo, and just let her know how she's going to get her prize.
First, she can come down to any one of our branches and to collect her prize.
With identification.
Yes, with
That is
identification.
correct.
Okay. So nothing for me. 19 minutes after the hour, how would you like to end the discussion? Like I said, maybe just reiterate with the Xmas promotion excitedly. And I'm really happy you all give an opportunity to somebody to win $60 as well. It can go a long way.
Yes, this is just one of the many 60s that we're given. So we are asking our members, our non-members as well, come in to the Choiseul Credit Union coming on December 8th to celebrate with us. And don't forget our Sunset Walk on the 12th of December. Please register. It is only $25. You can register at any one of our branches. You can call 484-2303 to register. So come, be part of the Choiseul Credit Union Diamond Journey. And for persons who are not yet members of the Choiseul Credit Union, who actually reside in Choiseul or Soufrière, who have worked in Choiseul or Soufrière for 6 months, please come and join, be part of the Better Credit Union, the Choiseul Credit Union, where we make lives better. Our doors are open. We're welcoming persons to come in to take advantage of our loan products. And like I said, there is a product for everybody.
Will showcase a cad-
What a way to put it, nice and sweet. Jayden, how would you like to end as well? Anything you want to leave with?
Well,
The
for me, I
audience?
just want to say thank you to our members who entrusted us for the past 60 years with their financial information, their trust. Special thanks to them. Without them, it would not have been possible. And we look forward to celebrating 60 years again. And like Miss Flavien mentioned, come in, persons who are not yet members. It's not too late. Feel free to come in to get the requirements. Call us, send us an email, send us a WhatsApp message. We're here and ready to assist. And again, sign up for our Diamond Strides to be held on December 12th. You won't regret that walk. Right.
88.5 Surf FM at 21 minutes after the hour. You just heard from the Choiseul Cooperative Credit Union. And let me just reach out to all those of you who send in and spread the love with us. Good morning, Jayden, Kate Anderson Martin. We have
Good morning, Katie.
Thekla Arze, very, very interested. Petrola Dominic, I'm so sorry you didn't get an opportunity to grab that $60, but your efforts again, thank you. We have Rosie Daisy, thank you once again. And we have Dana Prevo, thank you, my darling, 1970. Indeed, the $60 is yours. Parfait Magic, go and take that now, there today, you hear?
Valiant speed.
Until then, I say thank you so much, you guys. Have an awesome weekend. Stay blessed, stay productive, and I'm looking forward to have more discuss right here on Super FM.
Thank you for
Thank you
having
for
us.
having us.
What do you say?
You asked for more live and relevant talk shows, and we heard you. 88.5 Super FM presents House Guest, a brand new, fresh fortnightly feature